here's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. So you can easily promote Fiverr affiliate links. So I'm gonna show you best and easy way on how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm gonna teach you everything and show you every single detail that you have to do. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end and stay. So first of all, you have to make your Fiverr account. Just go and search up Fiverr. So there we are. So as y'all can see, I've already made a Fiverr account, but making a Fiverr account is very easy and simple. You just have to log in and use your Gmail or any other service. But after making your account, you'll have to go to affiliates. If you go and scroll down, just like you're on Fiverr, and scroll down, and you'll see in community, you'll see affiliates. Just click on affiliates. And there we are, and we are in Fiverr affiliates now. And you have to click join now. And this is basically a sign up. You just need to put in your first name, last name, email address, your username that you would use as Fiverr affiliate, then password, then confirm the password, then account type. It can be private or company, and then your main source of traffic. If you don't have, don't worry, you cannot put it, and you don't want to put it, and your country, your English, and skip the Skype part, or you can, but press next, and that's how you can create your account. After that, you need to create a Pinterest business account. So let's just straight jump into Pinterest now. So we're here in Pinterest. As you can see, I have an usual account. So how do you make a business account? You just click on this arrow, and as you can see, it has this option to convert to business. When you click on convert to business, as you can see, it's telling me all the ideas and stuff like that, and upgrade to a free business account. Press upgrade, and there we go. Now we have to name our profile. I'm just gonna name it this. No, I don't have a website right now. Click. Not sure yet. I'm just gonna do this because I already made a business account and I don't need more. Just like that. Other. Yes. And there we have it. We have successfully made our business account. So yeah, that's how you can make business account. Now just to get into more procedure of the work. So I've already made all of the accounts in my Brave. So I'm gonna show you how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest now. So once you've made all the accounts and converted to business account, you have to find your NFT. So people mostly sell NFT in Pinterest because that's the best way to promote links of affiliate. So I'm just gonna search up NFTs over here. And as you can see, there are many NFTs. So I'm just gonna find one that's with many ratings and star. So most of them are 5 stars. So I'm just gonna pick up this one. This is Fiverr's choice, alright. So what you have to do is copy their link. This one, just like that. Just copy it, alright, and go to Fiverr affiliate. And this is basically the Fiverr dashboard, that Fiverr affiliate dashboard that you'll make after an account. So you have to go to marketing tools and go to default deep links. So when you're here, just in LP URL, just paste the link that you copied, alright, and press enter, and there we have it. We have the link that we will promote. So we'll just copy it, alright. As you can see, it's telling me copy to clipboard, alright. So after copying it, just go to this website called Bitly and create a short link. So you have to use short link. So paste the link, and we can give it a title or we don't. So yeah, we can just create impress or create, and there we have it. Our link is gonna copy it, alright. So we're gonna go back, and once we're here, what we have to do is on the Pinterest. I already have my business account. We have to press on these 3 dots, and as all can see, it's giving me the option to create pin. I'm just gonna press create pin, and and bring me over here. So as you all can see, it's telling me that I should put a picture over here. So what I have to do is download this picture. All right. I'm just gonna download this, save image as. All right, JPEG image, save, and we saved it. Now we go back to Pinterest, and we do this. All right, we have our picture now. We have to put in the same title. There we go. Now we have to go down and copy their description. All right, just gonna copy this whole thing and put it on Pinterest. There we go. All right, it's way too long. Let me shorten it.
But shit, you need it to him. Did that. And
all right, think that's enough or not?
see. Then pin, but nearly got any in it.
Way up. We're just gonna do that. There we go. I think it's enough for now. All right. Should not tell us to get. All right. I'm just gonna remove more of the description until it says stop. It's 500 characters, guys. So, all right. There we have it. Now we're just gonna paste the link that we copied. Just like this one. Paste. Oh shit. We're just gonna copy that link again because I accidentally copied all the. Copy this link again. Pinterest. Paste, alright. Now choose a board. So our board is NFTs. Alright. Free about. Now we should tag NFTs. Fiverr. Marketing. Alright. And more options. You just need to find this and press on publish. So it's just gonna do something like that. Warming up the pin machine, uploading pin. And your pin has been published, as you all can see. So now whoever clicks on it and contact them, so it will be from yours and you will get that extra commission. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can put Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest and make money from them. So yeah, that's basically it. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace out until then, guys.